What's good, y'all? It's your boy Little Roy, aka Little Roy TV, and we back with another video. I'm gonna run through this video real quick because I'm under the weather, my nose is congested, and all that good stuff. So let's just get right into the video. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel. Also, if you're new here, comment, because I respond to all comments, any questions. Subscribe not only to this channel, but I also have a secondary channel, so go subscribe to that channel, and as well as everything else. If you guys do support the other channel, I dropped a new music video, so go check that out. Link will be in the description, so go show that some love. Now, also follow me on Instagram. It's always going to be posted down below, but just in case you people don't resonate with the information on the bottom, it's also posted right here. So go follow me on Instagram with that. And you see the thumbnail, see the title, so let's get right into the video, and yeah, let's get it. Alright, so off rip, it's a Jordan 1 mid. It is a women's exclusive, so it's extended sizes. Now, throughout the week of Nike dropping lows, mids, dunks, all that stuff, I was able to manage to cop one of these. I know that on the resale, at one point they was doing very good, but I think with the cash back and everything, I should be able to make some type of money on this. If not, obviously I'll return it. But Jordan 1 mid, got the glossy white box. It's a women's 12. So if you ask me, that correlates to a men's 10.5. I said man 10.5, but 12 obviously is a size and a half over. So this would be a 10.5. And I don't think they call this the mocha mids or something. I think it's like the chocolate. I don't really know. It could be mocha mids. I don't know the exact name, but on here it's called the brown basalt, pecan, oatmeal. But obviously when I check after the video, I'm gonna know the actual name. I don't think. Okay, I always check both shoes just in case, because I never had the shoes. I don't expect the shoe to have like a different different type of designs on different, but I'm only going to show you one because there's no need to show you both shoes the same exact thing. So here it is. Let's get that thumbnail real quick. I know it's a bit dark in here, but maybe it'll catch up. Boom. But yeah, I like how it has like this teddy bear feel in the inside. I'm gonna tuck the tongue, but look at that teddy bear, nice surrounding the whole ankle, so it's definitely smooth, in there, feeling like a teddy bear. Of course, you got the flamsy tongue with the brown Jumpman right there. Definitely, I see why this at one point did good on resale. Brown a couple years ago would have been crazy on the resale market. That was the most hyped colorway. Got that brown, base on the bottom. Of course, you got that oatmeal on the toe and the inside. That's what they call the oatmeal. Overall, a solid Jordan 1 mid. Like I said, this is a 10.5 men's, but in case any of you big foot people don't correlate, it's a size 12 women's, because people do ask in the comments what size should they get. This is a women's shoe, but obviously for men's, it does good on the market with the brown. I don't know, especially I don't know any girls, ladies that's wearing a size 10.5, but if you do, shout out to you. And then they got this like skinny base laces. It's not your typical regular laces. So definitely this is a different, unique Jordan 1 mid. I know they came out a long time ago, but now I'm officially finally able to grab a pair. Obviously this is for sale, so hit me up if you want it. 10.5 men's, 12 women's, and we can negotiate a price. Let me know what you guys think of these. Yeah. Is it worth the cop for you, or is it a pass? In my eyes, it's a solid Jordan 1 mid. Nothing too crazy. Would I keep? Obviously not. But for resale, of course, it's for you guys, whoever wants it, 10.5. And it's a solid brown base shoe with the two-tone brown, the light brown on the Nike logo, and then the dark brown up here, covering the ankle and the back heel. But overall, solid Jordan 1 mid. Like I said, I don't know the exact name because I'm not reading it off the name of the box. I think it's called like chocolate or maybe a coffee mid or a mocha. I don't really know. Obviously, by the time you see this now, you'll be able to see the thumbnail and the title, I mean. But yeah, solid Jordan 1 mid. Nothing too crazy. I just wanted to do a quick little review for you guys. Definitely soft leather on the top. Definitely a solid Jordan 1 mid for sure. But let me know what you guys think overall. Is it a nice colorway? Is it a pass? Is it a cop? Let me know how y'all feel in the comments. Or maybe you're just watching just to watch. That's fine as well. But make sure if you're watching, and if you are in tune with all my videos, you're hitting the subscribe button to both channels, this one and my other channel. And also go show me some love on Instagram. Let me know you came from YouTube. Show me some love over there. So a quick little review on this. That's really it. I don't want to do too much time talking about, running around in circles about the same shoe or the same things I've been saying since the beginning. But like I said, this is for sale. It's a size 10.5. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Your boy Little Roy is out. Peace. Oh yeah, comment below, get well, if you made it to this point. If not, I understand. Peace.